Good afternoon, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's me, Tshidi Radebe, back on your screens once again, looking cutie, giving Diana Ross, giving. Yes, the hair's definitely giving, makeup giving, skin CeraVe. Okay, without any further ado, let's get right into today's video. Firstly, I want to thank today's sponsor, African Curiosity, my brand. Saying that just sounds so nice on the tongue. That's like the first thing. First of all, I want to show you guys all of the products that we have currently. Okay, so let's start. I don't want to make it long. Okay, we have Baobab oil. You guys know this. I've been telling you guys about, well, I don't know if I have it, but I know I've been mentioning it, and it has definitely contributed to the thickening of my hair. And if you guys want, like, sometimes you shouldn't take my word for it. All you have to do is just go to your Google search bar and type in there Baobab oil low porosity hair. You guys will see the research. It's on me. Sometimes you just have to fact check me sometimes, okay? And I dare YouTube, all right? And you will see that research shows that this is one of like the best oils. Like, I also wanted to get you guys Mura oil, but I couldn't find a supplier. But I will definitely continue to look, because these are one of those oils that are like scientifically proven to actually contribute to growth, to the nourishment and conditioning of your hair. And let me just show you guys the packaging real quick. But if you guys want to see all of the branding close up, please follow me on my Instagram and you guys will see. So first of all, this brand screams me so much. So you guys know how much I love plants. Also, I am someone who loves like neutral colors, okay? So that's why you'll see a lot of brown and like neutral colors in my brand as a whole. If you go on my Instagram, you will see the story I'm telling there. Like, I definitely want to build a brand that is safe for people more than anything, and I want to build a brand that is for the people, right? I remember when I had the idea and I was talking to God and I was like, I definitely want a brand that's for the people, because I think a lot of us, especially me, I've reviewed so many products in the past, right? And when coming to oils, you guys know this. You know this when I say I do not use other brands' oils, and the reason for that is because none of them are actually organic, none of them are certified, none of them actually just contain that specific oil in the bottle. It will be flaxseed and then other nonsense, okay, let me not say nonsense, other things in it that you don't even know, and you're asking yourself, why are they in there, right? This is supposed to be pure. It's supposed to be, if you say it's avocado oil, it must just be avocado oil. Unless if it says avocado oil and flaxseed, then I just want to see that. I don't want to see any other things. For example, and I'm not trying to throw it like any brands under the bus or anything, but if you pick up like Anjaki's oils, so if you look at the ingredient list, trust me, just do that when you go to a Clicks or whatever. Just flip it around, look at the ingredient list. You will see there's like more than like 10 ingredients in that oil, and I'm like, why is that necessary? So I wanted to be a brand that's going to be transparent. I wanted to be a brand that's going to be bold, and a brand that actually stands for what it believes in more than anything. I want to be, when I say on the packaging that it's just avocado oil in here or grapeseed, this is grapeseed oil, then you're just gonna get grapeseed oil, okay? I did put some essential oils in it, but it's not gonna overpower the natural scent of the oil, because I know some people don't really like the scent of organic things. They do smell a bit, so I wanted, like, for example, with the shea butter, right? I know that I love the scent of shea butter, but my little sister, whenever I make her body butter, which is the other thing, I make body butters, when I make her body butter, she wants like fragrance in it. She wants, not even fragrance, but she wants essential oils that smells nice. Me, when I make my own body butter, I don't put that, because I actually like the smell of raw shea butter. We're gonna get into this shea butter in a second, okay? So my Baobab oil retails for 120, and my grapeseed oil, y'all, let me talk about the packaging. The printing, to get this purple correct, like, we had to fight with the printers. Like, my designer and I, which is the other thing, if you guys want me to share, or you know someone who's starting a business or who's rebranding, or yourself, or you just want to know people who do like designs and stuff like that, let me know, and I will definitely be happy to share her details with you guys. We worked on this for such a long time. I'm not gonna lie, because I'm a very specific person. You guys will see, and also kind of like a perfectionist, but you guys will see when you receive and you just like look at the branding, you will see the amount of detail that went into this. And I wanted to keep it minimalistic but also aesthetically pleasing more than anything, right? I want you guys, when you receive it, you just like, you guys see that? Screenshot that. It just looks pretty. It just looks pretty, y'all. It just looks pretty. There's nothing like it. It just looks pretty. It wants you to be proud of it. Like when you get your hands on this, you just like, I've never seen beauty like this before. It's a discovery. Okay, but anyway, let's move on. I also wanted to ensure that I cover all of my natural hair, babes. Okay, so we have a healthy balance of low porosity oils and high porosity oils, because I know it can be a struggle. Then I want to spend just a few seconds on this avocado oil. This oil is literally one of my favorite oils to use, and the reason why I say that is because it's unrefined. So if you have ever bought avocado oil and it was just clear, you bought refined avocado oil. This is organic unrefined avocado oil, and it's actually green, just like avocados. It's green and it smells amazing. This is like one of the oils that I think smells really, really nice. I love this one. This is like my proudest one because it's my favorite, honestly speaking. The green of this avocado, at least they got it right the first time we printed it. And yeah, you guys will also see like the detailing of like my logo. It has like, it's AC, and the C has like plant leaves in it. You guys can tell, like when you see this, you're gonna see so much of me in it. You guys will see the white, also I wanted a white large space on the branding. I also wanted a hint of color, and this green just looks so perfect. Like I wanted it, like, you know, there are some plants I looked at it and I was like, this is the type of green I want. It's also very close to this mysterious green. And yeah, I take a lot of my inspiration from nature. I feel like I'm a nature babe, not gonna lie. And you guys will also see that, hence why I also wanted amber bottles that are like brownish. I wanted that to be like a representation of brown hues, brown skin tone, brown people, earth, the ground, soil. There's just so much of nature that I thought about and I wanted to put it in here. If you guys actually also spend time on my Instagram page, you will see that. And all my reels are so funny because I show you guys the like, you know, the behind the scenes of how I get to where I get. And my next, I already found my next spot for some of these products. I'm going to be doing a photo shoot with these. I'm so excited, y'all. Like finally using my honors degree, right? Yay! So I'm really, really excited for my own brand. Finally, yay! And then we've got sweet almond oil. All of the oils have like different botanicals on them, like different botanical plants on them. That's what I mean. And I also wrote the benefits of the oil. The ingredient list, you're not going to find 10 ingredients on this. You're going to find sweet almond oil, essential oil, and a preservative. That's it. 3 things. That's it. And the preservative is there for those who are going to maybe want to use this oil with something else. And I'm going to share with you guys in just a second as to what I mean by that. And then we're going to move on to our raw shea butter. You guys, for the longest of time, always ask me, like, where do I get my shea butter from? Going forward, you guys are going to know it. I'm going to say African Curiosity. This was sourced from Ghana. I wanted to spend my money where I knew it was going to be appreciated more than anything. And the lady I got it from, she's so sweet. God bless her soul. And if you guys don't know, shea butter is kind of like a tree. It's a tree and it has like these nuts on it. And those are the shea nuts basically. And then, you know, they kind of, what's the word? I don't even know what they crush it down and it becomes butter. When you open it, you guys will see that it's 100% raw shea butter. It's not mixed with anything whatsoever. It doesn't contain any colorants. This is the natural color of it. This shade is kind of like the shade of the shirt. It's like beigeish, and it smells like earth. It smells like God in a container. It smells like everything shea butter is supposed to smell like. I definitely wanted it from the tree. in the container. That's it. That's literally it. Bringing Africa to you. Hence why I wanted to name my company African Curiosity, because I'm going to be bringing you guys Africa in a bottle. And I know I am watched by people from overseas. I got you, ladies and gents. Okay, I am going to be asking my delivery service if I can start shipping overseas, because I know some of you guys might still be struggling to get your hands on organic products. All of these products are very affordable. I'm not sure if I went through it, but Baobab oil 120. You guys can look at the the internet for that. On my website, of course, you will see that. Grapeseed oil, if I believe, it's 70 rand. Sweet almond oil 65 rand. Avocado oil 90 rand. And raw shea butter 150 rand. So all of these, I definitely wanted to ensure that I don't want to create necessarily like a luxury brand, but I wanted to create a luxury, how do I explain it? When you look at my Instagram, it's definitely giving luxury, but luxury at an affordable price. When you guys place your orders, you guys are going to be getting a herbal pack, and this is your free ticket to my herbal masterclass. Okay, so I know some of you guys are DIY queens, and I definitely wanted to ensure that African Curiosity helps you continue on that journey, and I provide you guys with the right ingredients at a good price and that are effective and they're organic and certified. Okay, that's the most important thing. So in here, in your herbal pack, you're gonna find, if you guys have ever watched my herbal rinse rinse tea I did on my hair, you guys will see, I think in that video I use like rosemary and thyme or whatever, but I have rosemary and thyme or thyme for those who pronounce it that way. We've got hibiscus. I know you ladies have been wanting hibiscus. We also got rose petals in here and other herbs that I will list and tell you guys about on the day of the masterclass. So basically, for example, let's say you order avocado oil and sweet almond oil, for example. I'm going to show you guys how you can create your own herbal oil using this herbal pack that you guys are going to be getting as a free gift. Or if you guys want, you can turn this shea butter into a herbal shea butter, and I'm going to show you guys how you can also do that in the masterclass. So I don't want to make this video too long, just have the last few words. I want to say thank you to those who have already placed our orders. They should be on your way. They did collect some of you guys' orders this morning, and I cannot wait to receive more orders. In the future, I'll talk to you guys about, like how it feels to be an entrepreneur and all that kind of stuff, but I don't want to make it too long. I just want to say thank you guys so much for showing me so much support since I've been here on my channel, and for those who continue to support me, buying these things, for example, the natural hair calendar and all that kind of stuff, and now we finally have a brand. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will definitely see you guys in my next video, and peace. I'm extra. Y'all, I'm ready to receive your orders. Please order ASAP, and I think the masterclass will be like the first week of October, I think. But I will communicate with you guys. You guys will receive emails on that. Make sure if you're going to place an order, make sure that you also sign up to the mailing list so that you can, know when I tell you about this. And I'm excited. DIY queens, DIY kings. Cannot wait to see you on my masterclass. Bye.